Today I want to tell you about the simple online selling system that is killing email marketing right now. Here are some statistics from the TPA to Pay research website. Open rate for email is 28%. Sign-ups for the new system open 88% of the time. Click rate in email was 12% against 51%. Whatever the call to action is, which includes sales, the rate in email is just 2%. The new selling method rates in comparison at a massive 27% for call to action. This new system is not Facebook ads. Have you tried making money with Facebook ads? Can you understand them, let alone make money from them? It's not about getting hundreds of likes and friends and constant posting on Facebook. Try wearing yourself out for a month with that. How will you feel if it's a complete waste of time? It's not about getting people to an e-commerce store. Selling physical goods gets more competitive every day. The chances of beating your competition get worse for you as a result. Today you'll see a system that works, and I'll show you how you can make money from it. And you can start this up with no money down. In my 9 years of selling online, the easiest way I've found to make money has been email marketing. At one time, getting an email from a marketer who you'd signed up for was an event. I remember when those "you have email" messages from AOL in the 1990s made me sit up and take notice. Online marketing was still a novelty, and for sellers in the right place at the right time, life was sweet. But that's all changed now. Well, for every marketer who tells you that email marketing is dead, there's another one who'll tell you that it's alive and well. So what's the truth? Today I want to get past the smoke and mirrors and look at what's really working right now. There are more people than ever online, and a lot of them want to make money. So where are these people? Well, most of them are on cell phones or social media, or both. Time spent on email is decreasing all the time. Let's face it, making money with old school emailing isn't working like it used to. Your potential audience is overwhelmed with literally hundreds of messages a day from their various email accounts, because no one has just one email account anymore. And SMS messages, WhatsApp messages, phone calls, the list goes on.
Pete Bruckshaw here. Email is still powerful, and it's not going away anytime soon. It's not dead, but email marketing is in crisis. So what else is there? Well, there is the new marketing method that works just as well as email used to. I can see no reason why this won't dominate internet marketing throughout the 20s as the most effective way of getting leads and making sales online. Keep watching to find out more, and watch till the end of this video when I will show you the free gift that guarantees that this system will work, the secret of how to get a constant stream of highly targeted buyer traffic. All of this traffic is entirely for free, and I'll give you that method on this video. I'll give you a deep discount on the simple and straightforward traffic source that's recommended above all others to work like gangbusters with this method. And finally, I'll show you a secret hack that will get you 66% off the entry cost to this system. The cost to get in is surprisingly low. You'll find out how to make it even cheaper. If you like this video, subscribe now to my channel and get more great Make Money Online videos as soon as they're released. Just hit the subscribe button below this video. Okay, let's cut to the chase. So how do you make money online on Facebook and start it with no cash investment? Well, the #1 marketing method right now is Facebook Messenger bots. These automated chat bots are, in terms of ease and economy of use, absolutely the best way for newbies and experienced marketers alike to make money online right now. You can set up a chat bot yourself, or if you want to make it faster and easier, during this video I will recommend a paid method that's quick and simple to get started with. In fact, you can start for free with it. Either way, the choice is yours. You've probably seen this in action. If not, this is how messenger bots work. Your prospective customer signs up for your list. This could be on your blog, on your sales page, or most commonly on a squeeze page. So far, so normal. Now, everyone is used to people asking for their email address, then getting a free gift in return. This method is different. Look carefully and you'll see why. I'm not asking the prospect for their email address. I'm asking for their Facebook login. As soon as they click the button, which already has their Facebook details automatically embedded, My bot will launch on their Facebook account. I'll introduce myself and present the free gift to them that they've signed up for. Then I can repeat market to them and start them on a sequence of messages designed to offer quality content, special offers and paid products, all through Facebook Messenger and all completely automated. If you're still not clear exactly how it works, then go to the link below this video titled Link 2. Click on the link and sign up. You'll be instantly taken to your Facebook profile and you can see the magic happen for yourself. So what do you need to make messenger marketing work for you? Well, first, in addition to your profile, you'll need a Facebook page. Any Facebook member can open one and they're free to set up. This page is for your bot to run on. If someone messages you at your page, then you can set up your bot so that it instantly opens and begins automatically to engage with your prospect. Of course, your bot isn't limited to your Facebook page. You can link it to emails, social media, you can have a pop-up on your blog, and much more. In fact, you could do this for your bot list in the same way that you can do it for your email list. The difference is growing and profiting from your bot list is much easier. And if you want their email address too, just ask in your bot. The email address autofills within your bot message, making it easy for your prospect to sign up to your email list too. Secondly, you'll need a program external to Facebook that will link up to your Facebook page and allow you to run the bot. The most popular third-party software for messenger bots is ManyChat. ManyChat is free to sign up with, so you can actually start this system for no investment. If you've got an internet connection, you're good to go. When your list starts growing, you'll need to pay, which is on a sliding scale depending on how big your list is. The first level, after free, is $10 a month. But as I say, you're better to start with the free plan. If you want to use a Facebook Messenger bot, there's an important thing to bear in mind. This is very different to email marketing. If you start sending people long messages or trying to hard sell, messenger marketing won't work for you. Instead, you want to set up messages to your prospective customers like you're having an informal chat with them. Be friendly and informal, use emojis and ask them questions. Your bot should be set up so that it's like messaging a friend. If your messages are too salesy, they just won't be effective. It's actually easier to chat rather than giving your prospects the hard sell treatment. Because of that, experienced marketers may find it more difficult to use chatbots than newbies at first. So, where do you get the kind of products that people want to buy? I recommend these sites: Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank. There are plenty of other sites where you can make money online products, but these are the most focused and popular ones. If you're in a different informational niche, I recommend that you go solely for ClickBank to start with. You can set up a chatbot for yourself because there are videos showing you what to do on the ManyChat site. But if you'd like to make this process faster and easier, I recommend that you join the VIP Bot Club. This is run by messenger marketing expert Aidan Corkery. He's put together a course that tackles all the basics of messenger marketing. This is the sales page. One of the benefits of joining is that you get 100% commissions on VIP Bot Club when you sell it. And I know a lot of affiliates who are taking advantage of that offer. In fact, any kind of promotion of the VIP Bot Club is private. You can't just search on Google or go in Warrior Plus to promote it. You can't even buy it directly online. You have to buy it from an approved affiliate. That way, Aidan gets only the best affiliates to promote the VIP Bot Club. You can see some of the upsells Aidan's offering, which I'll go into later. There is something of a learning curve on bot marketing, so keep watching to decide for yourself if messenger marketing and the VIP Bot Club are worth your time and money. Here's a look behind the scenes at the VIP Bot Club. This is the home page of the membership site. You get a chance to join the Facebook discussion group. Click the start button, you're taken to 24-hour commissions. Then, after the welcome video, there's a foundation video. Most of this is aimed at beginners. If that's you, then follow all the steps as Aidan recommends. Then there's a video covering page and funnel setup. In traffic packs, Aidan recommends solo ads as the best way to build your bot list. Then there are the training videos where we get into how to set up and run a bot campaign. VIP bot campaigns are for Aiden's own products. Just click on an image and you're prompted for your affiliate link. Enter it into the box and your own bonus page is instantly created. With the majority of affiliate products, you have to create bonus pages yourself, but everything is done for you here, which saves you a lot of time and effort. You'll get access to all the products that Aiden has created. Most of these are available to promote in your bot campaigns. So for all of these, it takes literally seconds to create your bonus page, which leads directly to the paid offer which you are an affiliate for. You'll also get these bonuses with VIP Bot Club: instant buyer traffic, ClickBank $100 days, money with bots, elite buyer traffic, and solo bot traffic. All of these bonuses are designed so that you get the most from VIP Bot Club. Finally, there's Bot Academy with more messenger bot training. So what about the upsells? Well, Aiden stresses that you don't need his upsells, but they will fast track the process of getting your bots online and will help you avoid mistakes along the way. Upsell 1 is the done-for-you digital funnel at $14.95. You get to treat one of Aiden's products as if it's your own and make 100% of the profits right through the funnel. Secondly, there's the buyer extractor case studies at $17, which give you the exact tools and resources that Aiden uses to make money with the VIP Bot Club method. Third, there's the Done For You pack at $27, which includes voucher images, high engagement Facebook posts, and ManyChat follow-up sequences that you can plug directly into your ManyChat account and increase product conversions. I was tempted to get this, but in the end I went for Upgrade 4, the one-on-one coaching. At $197, this is extremely low cost for coaching of this caliber. It was a good investment, the best part of which was I had a ready-to-go messenger bot funnel and I was able to get it running fast. So you heard about the benefits of VIP Bot Club. Is there anything that's missing? Well, I did think that the bot training could be more in-depth. Even though Aiden covered most of the system, I felt that I needed a bit more training. That's why, as the first of my bonuses, I'm giving away a 5-part video course on Facebook chatbot messenger marketing and ManyChat. This course goes in depth on messenger marketing. Watch it and you'll be well on your way to being a bot expert by the end of the course. You'll also get free targeted buyer traffic. My second bonus is a simple method that guarantees you buyer traffic to your list, and this will be buyer traffic. And you don't have to wait for this one. You get it right here. Here goes. Most products you buy on Warrior Plus, ClickBank or JVZoo have a members-only Facebook group that you access when you buy the product. And that includes the VIP Bot Club. All of the members of these groups have bought products. They're qualified targeted buyers. So friend them and segment them to a friends list of make money online buyers. Engage with them on Facebook. Comment on their posts. Put inspirational advice on your timeline. Help them out. And after about a month, you will have hundreds of targeted buyers. Then post on your timeline with a short one-sentence offer relevant to an affiliate promotion of yours. For instance, if you promote VIP Bot Club, it could be, do you want to know the system that will 4x your marketing profits on autopilot? Comment yes below. Then everyone who comments yes gets messaged by you and sent to your squeeze page, put in your chatbot, and offered VIP Bot Club. For the in-depth explanation of this method, you need Aiden Corkery's Instant Buyer Traffic, his flagship product which you'll get for free when you join VIP Bot Club. And here's how to get a massive discount on this system. The sign-up cost for VIP Bot Club is already very low, but if you move your cursor to the top right of the main sales page, you'll see an exit intent pop-up that gets you into the VIP Bot Club for 2/3 discount off the recommended price. Most offers like this have a 7-day trial, but this is for a more than generous 30 days. After that, you'll pay just $18.95 a month for VIP Bot Club, with no obligation to keep paying and even a 30-day money-back guarantee. But I must stress that you need to work at this system to see success. So if you've decided that the VIP Bot Club is for you, just click link 1 beneath this video. This is Pete, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click link 1 below if you've decided to join VIP Bot Club, and I'll talk to you again soon.